Good morning, everyone. This is Fibre Tech Carpet Care in Victoria, BC, and we are in the process of cleaning a large commercial building, which Harry is doing a great job, and the building's actually in Langford, BC, and he's doing a great job as usual. We're just making our way down a very long hallway. As you can see, we've got that done so far. And we're in process of hitting the second portion of the 4th floor. There's Harry working his magic over there. Say hi, Harry.
Hello.
And he's doing a fantastic job. Now, keep in mind, in these commercial buildings, there's a lot of spills, accidents, things outside of the door, particularly the high traffic areas like in front of elevators and such, and in front of people's doors. So we've treated them the best as we can, but it's looking pretty darn good so far. So we'll do another video very shortly. Enjoy. Give us a call, 778-433-9348. Say bye, Harry.